Are you ready?
안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 데이브 선생님입니다. I'm staying in my dad's house. Oh, this is my dad's gardening hat. He wears this in the garden when it's sunny, just to protect him from the sun. I'm still posting every day, or trying to, and I know my videos haven't been as exciting because I'm indoors all the time. I'm not going out, and I don't have my fancy cameras and other things. And someone commented recently that someone who follows my blog every day, and they commented that they enjoy my videos, but recently there hasn't been much variety. It's mostly been cooking and eating. And I'm doing my best to keep it interesting. But I'm staying home all the time. I'm eating well, watching TV, chatting with my dad, teaching some students online, which I really enjoy, and I'm very grateful. I'm actually living the life of Riley. Luxurious, relaxing time, not too much stress. Thanks for watching.